Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Madiha, Head Academic Coordinator of Rahi Global School. So today we were having the PTM, but this time we have tried something new. We have included the Science IES, Maths, GK, SST and different model exhibition today here in our school. So a very warm welcome to you all in our model exhibition. Today all the students have done a very good work. They prepared different models on different topics, like they prepared a model on Islamic studies, they prepared a model on computer like social networking, and in science they prepared a model like they bring their ideas to life through their models and experiments, and they did their job very well. We helped them, our school management helped them and encouraged them to do this, and Alhamdulillah, our event gone very successful today. All the parents were also very happy and very inspired. They appreciated the students and the teachers and the management as well for going and grasping this opportunity. All the students have done very thing, and parents today when visited the models, different models of different subjects, they got the knowledge and information in different fields like the force and pressure, how it works, like about the Battle of Badr, when it happens, when it occurred, and how many peoples were involved in that, and each and everything. We were having the different models in English and Hindi as well, where the students have told about different topics like adjectives and different things. So personally, on my personal experience, I just love the presentation and the models of all the students, and I am very happy and I can proudly say that my students and the students of our school had done such a great job, and they had done a very good work today.
Assalamu alaikum. Today our school, Rahi Global School, has organized a very wonderful model exhibition, and we include all the subject in this: science, SST, English, Islamic, everything. And I am very impressed with the efforts put by the children. बच्चों ने बहुत extraordinary 100% मेहनत की है, and plus teachers ने भी की है. As I am the SST teacher, मेरे बच्चों ने भी SST का model बनाया, and with the models they try to show कि हमें सोसाइटी में जनरेट करनी चाहिए अवेयरनेस अबाउट द पोल्यूशन, कि किस तरह पोल्यूशन रिड्यूस करना चाहिए, अबाउट द ग्रीन हाउस गैसेस, अबाउट द वेस्ट मैनेजमेंट, कि लोग जो इधर उधर कूड़ा फेंक देते हैं उसको किस तरह से हम रिड्यूस कर सकते हैं, अपने सोसाइटी को क्लीन बना सकते हैं, और अबाउट द ग्लोबल वार्मिंग. एंड आई एम वेरी इम्प्रेस्ड हाउ दे मेक देयर मॉडल्स वर्किंग मॉडल विद बैटरीज एंड ऑल दैट. सो I want to give 100% clap and stand ovation to all my lovely children, and plus ma'am and sir, they help a lot in this कि हमें ये काम करना चाहिए, and we also try to give our 100%.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Shamaila and I am a class teacher of LKG in Rahi Global School. As you all know that today is PTM with exhibition, and सारे स्टूडेंट्स ने बहुत ज़्यादा मेहनत करके बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल एग्जीबिशंस प्रिपेयर करी है, बहुत अच्छे मॉडल्स प्रिपेयर करे हैं, लाइव मॉडल प्रिपेयर करे हैं, और सारे टीचर्स ने मिलकर के, स्टूडेंट्स ने मिलकर के इस एग्जीबिशन और PTM को बहुत ही अच्छे सक्सेसफुल बनाया. थैंक यू.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Saban Azad. I am the staff of Rahi Global School. In our school, we organize a PTM and also a science exhibition, model exhibition for the student. It is a great platform for the student as well the parents. They interact with each other, they exchange their knowledges, and also they communicate with each other. And I noticed this is a great platform for the student as well the teachers and parents also.
Assalamu alaikum. Today's PTM and model exhibition is a great experience for the parents as well as for the students to see the creativity, talent and the models that our students have prepared with all the hard work that they have put into. And I hope आगे भी हम बहुत अच्छे से exhibitions और execute करेंगे.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nusrat Parveen and I am a teacher of maths in Rahi Global School. Today the science exhibition has been done in a Rahi Global School. The students have shown their enthusiasm, energy with their models. Most of the models are working and some models have not working. Parents also have been shown their energy and interested to show the models. And also today is also the PTM has been conducted. Our parents had very energy to show their models and also talk with their child performance to the teachers. I am very glad to meet the parents and as well as the students, because the students are very hard working.